Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, June 15th, 2023. It is 8:36 and 34 seconds, p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, nanoparticles. So let's hop to it here. New method-enabled study of nano-sized particles. Date June 12th, 2023. Source, Karolinska Institute. Researchers have created a new method of studying the smallest bioparticles in the body. The study has considerable scientific potential, such as the development of more effective vaccines. As circulating around the body are nanoparticles that affect it in one way or another. For example, there are lipoproteins that maintain cell metabolism, pathogenic viruses that cause many diseases, and lipid nanoparticles that are used to carry drugs like recent lipid nanoparticle-based mRNA vaccines. However, such particles are too small to be studied easily. To enable this, the researchers in the study have developed a new method that they call single particle profiling. The method makes it possible to measure the content and properties of thousands of particles between 5 and 200 nanometers in size. The method can be used to study bioparticles in health and disease. Moreover, it will also be an invaluable tool in creating better and more effective nanocarriers. The researchers' goals was to create a simple and inexpensive method accessible to all researchers. They established a method based on commercially available microscopes and made a data analysis tool and all their data freely available. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Biophysics, Pathophysiology, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.